Good morning, everybody. Today's video will be about how to deploy or install a remote backend storage system for your RHOSO, your Red Hat OpenStack cluster platform. By default, we don't have a remote system, remote backup system for Red Hat OpenStack platform. And today's video will be about how to address this point. Most of companies have this kind of tape systems. This system permits to have or to perform a very long storage, like we want to store data for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, or even 7 years, depending on your compliance or your law that we have in your country. And what company do implement sometimes is to have first this kind of systems, the tape library system, to be much more specific, and launch some robots like Quantum and so on to perform the backend or remote storage of different file systems. And for RHOSO, what we did is to use another approach, another solution that permits us to address these gaps. Okay, we have your RHOSO cluster, for instance, deployed in your environment, and we will install on another server a Bacula server to be much more specific. We can install this solution, Bacula solutions, which permit us to connect to your RHOSO cluster, and on each instances launch the backup. So this Bacula, as you can see here, can first perform files, directories, and apps backup and restore first. So this we can do it with Bacula by default. We can do it by install some agents on those instances, or use the agentless systems to backup data like files and directory from your instance to the backend tape systems that we have, because this Bacula can connect on many types of backend storage system. Like you can store in its local systems if you would like. If you want to store data or backup data locally, you can do it. You can also backup data remotely on another backend storage system like a tape library system. So you can use it and do that also. And this is what we implement. So first of all, you can backup file system and directories. We can also second backup volumes, images that we have inside your cluster. It's definitely possible. And what we did is we build a customized script that we install inside the Bacula that permits us to backup volumes or images, and also metadata like flavors and the routers, and all metadata information that we have inside your RHOSO cluster will be backup with our customizer scripts that we implement inside the Bacula. So we will be able to back up all those information inside, definitively. And we can also restore those information. And let me show you the interface, or the web interface of Bacula. Here is the web interface of Bacula. As you can see here, we can view the different jobs that we have right now. We have a bunch of jobs that we launched before. We have this restoration jobs. We have these backup jobs that we have right now. We have also other jobs for backup and restore files from your instances that we have in your cluster. Definitely, we can achieve this one, and it's very wonderful for those whom. Let me show you one. Let me show you here. Is, for instance, our Bacula is able to connect to our remote Red Hat OpenStack cluster. Let me just show you to be sure that we have this one. Okay, so we have those volumes that we have right now in our cluster, for instance. Okay, and we have already backup all those informations, and what we will do right now is to show you that we can restore some volumes inside our RHOSO cluster, definitively. And let me just launch the command just to show you that we have on our notes. It is the former, I mean, you already, for those who are used to our channel, we are already used to this cluster that we have already deployed. You can see here the both RHOSO compute node. You can see here, and if I came here in the web interface, I have, for instance, I have one instance in my cluster. Only one, it's just remain one instance. So I have some, you can view the different volumes that I have right now. You can view also the different, I have no router for the moment. But anyway, let me come back here and launch a backup. I will restore. I will show you that it's possible to restore from there, from Bacula. You can restore data from Bacula to your Red Hat OpenStack platform. Let me connect on it on the Bacula. I will just call back of this command. For instance, this command, for instance, permit has, it is a customized script that we build to restore data. For instance, we have this job that has been launched in our Bacula cluster. This job permit has to backup. Okay, so you have many jobs here. For instance, this job has been used to backup data from our RHOSO cluster to the backend storage, to the tape systems. Okay, now we would like to restore some data, like with our customizer scripter. What we did, we would like to restore specifically. We want to restore, for instance, two volumes, these volumes and this one also. This is those volumes that I would like to restore. So I will just launch up this script, okay, and it will connect to our RHOSO system and connect also to the tape systems, tapes library systems, and you will start to take the data that we would like to restore, take it from there. Let me just show you. Coming here, the scripter will connect to RHOSO and coming to the tape systems and use the specific or will extract the specific data that we would like to restore and take it and connect to our RHOSO system and install or create this image or volume that has been requested. Okay, so now it is ongoing. As you can see here, the volume restoration is ongoing. So it has been automated. As you can see here, we have the two volumes that has been restored at the moment. This one and this one. And so after that, if you would like to start a new VM or a new instance from this volume, you can do it definitively. Restore your issues or services if you have any issues or if you get any issues or any incident, you can restore your data from this mechanism or from this customize or for these actions. Okay, and if you would like to also implement this kind of things in your company or in your company, you can do it. Just drop us an email, and we will be very pleased to help you to implement this kind of backup and restore system in your environment. Bacula is an open source solutions. We can customize it like as we did here, and I will see if we can share up those scripts and so on, as we did for the billing system. You will write another article or blog post about that, and we'll be able to share those information if you would like. So thank you very much. What things else can I show you? As you can see, after the restore, if I come in back here, the volumes, I can see that of the new volume is there. Okay, new volumes has been restored successfully, and I can use this volume to create a new instance and so on. It's the same thing for the restore. If I would like to restore a specific image, okay, let me come here. I will go to restore, for instance. If I want to restore a specific file inside my, let's say, which instance I will have to take. And okay, let's take this one. Okay, I would like, if I want to restore a specific data, okay, it's possible. I can say that I want to restore yeah, this file, for instance. It's possible for me. I can select the file to restore, and it will do it definitively. Next. Okay, I can restore in the remote system, so you can restore in the data in this specific file if you would like, or you can restore in another another directory. It's possible. Here you don't replace the file, you just you can restore in the original file. It's possible. Okay, or you can restore in another directory. So this is possible with Bacula, and this is what we implemented. And if you are interested by this kind of implementation, don't worry. Let's drop us some email, and or even if you would like to have some presentation, we will be very pleased to help you in your side or in your to implement this kind of solution also from your side. So thank you very much. I hope that this video was very interesting for you, and you are there to don't forget to like, comment, and share this content if it is give you some insightful information. Thank you very much, and have a good day, and take care. Bye for now.